Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic of my video is how to buy medical insurance for students in China. And now, after you get admission in the university, the first step is to buy the medical insurance, and then after that you can do the registration process. And for especially for the student in Zhejiang University, you have to pay the 800 RMB for 1 year. And for the payment, you have to have the balance in your Alipay or WeChat. And if you need any help for the exchange of your currency into the Chinese RMB, you can contact me, and I'll help you for that. And before starting this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And now let's get into the video, and I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to buy the medical insurance. Let's start the video. Okay, here you can see my screen here, and the website is lixbx.net. This is the website for the insurance payment, and you have to click on this buy insurance. Once you click here, you just put on your passport number, and now you just enter the captcha NY. Now it's logged in. Now you just select your university. Because I am admitted in this university, it will automatically show the university name here. Now I select it, and then you choose the plan. For me it is like 800 yuan plan, and I just click here. And when I see the option, there is already my name and the passport number and date of birth and phone number, everything, and the university name here. But if I have to write it for the first time, you will see the blank space here, and you can either reselect it and then change the name, or you can proceed with the same data. Now here you can just go down below here and see this is some policy that is included in the insurance. Just you click here, and then please read and click all the 5 titles above and confirm the payment. Okay, I just clicked it. Now it will show you this screen here. It's the name, ID number, email, and student's mobile number, date of birth, nationality, source of funding, and institution's name. Okay, now I should click to confirm the information above. If I want to edit it, I can edit it, no problem. And now I can confirm. It's clicked and confirmed. Now I choose the insurance period, that is 12 months. This is 12 months. And now the option date of the insurance is mentioned here. That will be from 2025 March 30 to 2026 March 29, because I have already paid for until March 30 2025. Now this is the total amount that I need to pay. Let's go to the next screen. Now after that, you will see the QR code, and the validity for this QR code is only 120 seconds. Now it is decreasing, and it says that please complete the payment by scanning the QR code via WeChat or Alipay. Hence now you use your phone and scan this QR code, and then you can pay the 800 RMB. Once you pay the 800 RMB, the receipt will be sent to your email address, and you can generate a PDF from that link. And now it's all done. These are the 4 steps, and the 5th step is the final step. It will just show the confirmation of the payment. And that's all for the insurance payment, and this is how you buy the medical insurance. That's all for the video, and in this video I have taught you how to buy the medical insurance. And for the payment of the medical insurance, if you need my help, you can contact me. And in other videos I'll make many other contents and related to the registration process, how to buy SIM card, and how to reach to the university, and how to get familiar with the university, and mostly focusing on the Zhejiang University. And that will be my future videos content. And so that, stay tuned with my YouTube channel and comment down below your questions, and I'll make the videos that will obviously address your problem. And thank you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.